Alright guys, I'm back at the machine again, going to pick my tickets. I haven't decided which one I want this time. They got the multiplier, they got the set for life, the Year of Fortune I like, Extreme Cash, the Mega Bucks, and the 50-50 the 50x Fortune. I think I'm gonna go with the 50x Fortune again. And just keep it up. So I'm gonna do the 50x Fortune. So maybe I'm not. Oh, there's one. I was going to say maybe I'm not doing the 50x. There's two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me make sure that's it. And that is it. I also bought a super for luck. All right. Wish me luck, guys. See you later.